Quiet doesn't mean weakness or that you are less deserving of respect. In fact, quiet can be a hidden strength that astonishes those around you. Many respect those who listen more and speak less because these individuals demonstrate an unusual balance and wisdom. Imagine yourself in a social situation or at work where everyone is speaking loudly, trying to grab attention. In this chaos, the quiet person stands out as a symbol of confidence and composure. But how can you achieve that in reality? How can quiet be your secret weapon in earning others' respect? In this video, I will share effective and simple strategies to earn respect without needing to change your quiet personality. I will tell you how to be confident without speaking much, how to use body language to express strength, and how to listen effectively to make others feel appreciated. We'll also learn how to set boundaries firmly yet kindly, the importance of accent in what you do, choosing your words carefully, and lastly, being honest with yourself. Stay with me until the end, because these strategies might completely change your life, making others see you in a new light and appreciate your true worth. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm the master of the maze. Life is the maze. Firstly, focus on your body language. Even if you don't speak much, your posture, visual communication, and gestures can express confidence. How you stand, your visual contact and gestures say a lot about your personality. Stand straight, maintain eye contact with others, and use open body language. This not only makes others feel that you are comfortable and confident, but also give you a sense of inner confidence. Standing straight shows that you are a confident and strong person. Direct eye contact shows you are interested and appreciation for the person you are speaking with, making them feel heard and valued. Use open gestures like not crossing your arms and smile naturally. These gestures shows that you are friendly and open to communication. Remember, body language speaks volumes even without words. So, make sure your body reflects confidence and comfort. Over time, you will find people noticing this aspect of your personality and respecting you more. Improve your listening skills. People respect those who listen attentively. When you show genuine and interested what others say, you enhance their appreciation for you. Show you're interested by nodding slightly or saying a few words, like yes or I understand or something like that, and avoid interruption no matter what. Good listening skills don't stop at just hearing words, but also include reading body language and understanding emotions and feelings that might not be expressed verbally. When you listen deeply, you make others feel important and valued, creating an atmosphere of mutual respect. Remember that effective listening also means asking questions that show genuine interest and delving deeper into the subject. Ask about details, express your curiosity, and let the conversation flow naturally. This not only makes the other person feel appreciated, but also enhances your image as an intelligent and interested individual. For example, when someone tells you about a new work project, you can say something like, how did you come up with this idea? Or, what challenges did you face in this project? These questions show that you are listening attentively and genuinely interested in what they are saying. Over time, you will notice that people appreciate and respect you more because you listen to them sincerely. This simple skill can change your relationships and makes others always look forward to talking to you. This simple skill can change your relationships and make others always look forward to talking to you. I won't delve deeper into this strategy, but it's one of the most important ways to earn respect through excellence and efficiency. Whether at work, school, or in your hobbies, let your actions speak for you. When people see your skills and dedication, they'll naturally respect you regardless of how much you try. Strive to always give your best and be an exemplary figure in commitment and quality. Excellence doesn't mean being good at what you do, but also means continually improving yourself and developing your skills. Make an effort to achieve remarkable results and show you're genuine interested in what you are doing. These efforts leave a strong impression on others and make them appreciate your true value. When you are someone who's reliable and shows dedication and mastery in their work, you will find that people look at you with appreciation and respect. Excellence and efficiency don't just reflect your professional skills, but also reflect your personality and ethics, enhancing your position among others. When you speak, choose your words wisely. I have discussed this in a previous video, which you can refer to after this one. Let's continue. Speak clearly and directly. This shows that you're thoughtful and purposeful in your communication. Using words carefully reflects deep thinking and self-confidence. Instead of speaking a lot, focus on making your words impactful and meaningful. Take this rule: quality over quantity can make a significant impact. Thoughtfully choosing a few words can leave a bigger impression than a long, aimless conversation. Think before you speak and avoid empty or excessive talk. Use phrases that carry weight and meaning, and avoid hesitation or boredom. When your words are concise and direct, people notice and appreciate it. This shows that you are an aware and mindful person, and you don't speak just for the sake of it. Wise words come from wise thinking, and when you speak clearly, you enhance others' respect for you and leave a lasting impact. Lastly, be honest with yourself. Authenticity is power. People respect those who are genuine and comfortable with themselves and others. Don't try to be someone else just to earn respect. Remember that you are unique, and that's what makes you special. Don't be afraid to be yourself and express your opinions and interests openly. When you are honest with yourself and others, you build relationships that are more genuine and respectful. It might be easy to try to imitate others or change our personalities to gain respect, but true strength lies in accepting who we are and being proud of it. Be proud of yourself and who you are, and you will find that others respect you for this honestly. I'm telling you this not because I consider you a friend, but because I want to express my deep gratitude to you for your support. Your presence here means a lot to me. Thank you once again, and I look forward to meeting you in a future video. I'm the master of the maze. See you again.